How to clear your trash in the Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward your gallery, go to album and scroll all the way down to recently deleted. If you see any picture, simply click on delete and clear your recently deleted folder. Go to File Explorer application and again go to recently deleted. Provide your mobile password to get into the folder, and if you see any picture or video in this folder as well, tap on it and delete it. After that, head towards Google Photos, go to Collection and go to Trash. If you see any folder, simply select it and click on Delete. After that, the trash will be cleared from your Android device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.